Guys, finally I'm back on the YouTube after a month. So it's a special video. So in this video I will show you how to earn money by watching IPL. You just have to open the application. You don't have to invest money. You don't have to work for them. You don't have to do anything. You just have to open the application and it will give you money. The procedure is very easy. I will show you how to register and how to earn points. So be with this video, be with me. So subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified with me, and I will give some interesting videos on my channel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. And there is an option here, Go Cash Fest, and we have to click on that ball for joining. And if you are with Mumbai Indians team, you can earn the money from the IPL and Go Cash during Mumbai Indian match. Every Mumbai Indians match can give you money. So I am entering my mobile number here. And I have registered, and he will send me it will send me a OTP, and I will put the OTP, or it will automatically put it. Yeah, it will automatically do it. And we have to post our profile picture, first name, middle name, last name. So without wasting time, I will do it. And I put my name here and successful created user account, and I'm having 200 rupees here for Go Cash, and now I can join in the Mumbai Indians team. Start collecting Go Cash on every 4, 6, 50, 100 runs. If it will hit a 4, it will give me 4 rupees. If a person hit 6, it will give me 6 rupees. The 50 runs is completed by a play, it will give me 50 rupees. Or a play hit a century, it will give me 100 rupees. So every wicket, every trophy, it will give me money. So it's a fully one side offer. You can only earn, there is no loss here. You will only earn money from here. There is no investment, nothing. So step, you can read the step here. I will wait for a moment.
Best versus best. 7th April से Star Sports Network.
And it will send you money next day before 8 p.m. next day. And you can, yes, I want to earn. You can go with that also. How to earn Go Cash, you can also learn that, but I am not having time. So continue to home. If Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings is going on today at 7 o'clock, 7th April, you should go there and download this and play the game here. If a Mumbai Indian match is there, you are fully profitable. And guys, application is Goibibo. If you are a fan of Mumbai Indians, you can make profit from this application, and this is a very wonderful application for the IPL season for earning money. And I hats off to this application for this type of feature, including this feature in the application. So thank you for including this feature in your application. Thank you Goibibo. So now I will show you how to register. Guys, game is starting in the 5 minutes, and this is the first interface I'm showing you before starting the game. And it will show you like this: Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings. Yet to bat. Chennai won the toss and elected to bowl. And it will show you like this: who won the toss and which match is going on. It will give you money when the Mumbai Indians match is going on. So remember it will give you money when the Mumbai Indians are playing. And we collected 0 rupees from this because I am starting it right now, and there is only 4 minutes to go, and I will give you the review in a short period of time. Guys, this is the interface after starting the application, and the game has started, and I am playing this game here, and I won 4 rupees here. I collected 4 rupees. If you are not connected with this, it will show you like this: you missed 0 rupees go cash so far. Because if you will click on the I button, it will give you the reason, and the money transfer will take place after in the next day, 8 p.m. till 8 p.m. One Woo Mumbai Indians batsman hits four. What happened? 4 hits 4. You have collected 4 go cash. 4 rupees go cash, and I'm watching the IPL here also. So it's very nice. So this is the thing what I want to say. So you can download it. Thank you.